Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and you're watching this video, guys, because you're trying to find a brand new free McDonald's hack. This is going to get you free points for the McDonald's app. Alternatively, you can also get free food from McDonald's, and this is a simple promo code that you can apply within the McDonald's app, and it's going to credit you either 10,000 points or give you free food. So let me record my mobile phone, guys, and show you how to do it. So of course you need to use your mobile, and you need to visit this website on the internet, www.speedycoupons.com. You're looking for Speedy Coupons, so open this page up, and this website is pretty awesome. They have tons of different pages, so you need to navigate your way to the McDonald's page. So hit search and just type in McDonald's, and it's going to pop up here, McDonald's coupons and deals. Open this page up and scroll down a bit. So as mentioned, there's a couple of different promo codes that you can get for McDonald's. There's a 10,000 McDonald's reward points for free. There is also a get any meal for free within the McDonald's app. So these are simple codes that you can redeem within the app, and it's going to credit you the corresponding reward. So I'm going to go for the free McDonald's rewards points. So click on show coupon, and you can see, guys, we need to unlock our coupon code. These codes are pretty desirable, so people create robots to take all of the codes. This basically is to prevent that. So we need to unlock our personal McDonald's code. So tap unlock code. And you're going to see this screen here that says McDonald's code unlocker. And essentially, guys, we need to follow the instructions on this page to unlock our free McDonald's points code. So you can see we need to complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below. And on my screen here, and you're going to see on your screen a list of completely free tasks that we need to complete 2 of. So you can see there is a description below each one. So this one at the top says download and complete level 10. So this is like a free game that I would have to download and play until I completed level 10. This one's Family Island is a game. You may also see some free surveys, just as long as you follow all of the instructions for whatever 2 you choose. It doesn't really matter which ones. So let me pause the video whilst I go ahead and complete 2 of these tasks, and then I'll come back. Alright, guys, so I just went ahead and I finished 2 of those tasks on this page. So yeah, you're going to see slightly different tasks. These are country dependent. So yeah, if you're in the US, you're going to see some US tasks, but I've completed 2, so I basically downloaded a couple of these free games and just played them until whatever the requirements was. So I did the 2 here, so level 10 and level 8, I played them until. So now I'm going to hit my tabs button, and because I've completed all of the required steps, my code has now been unlocked. I can click on it, this tab here, and it's going to show me my code that's going to credit my McDonald's app account 10,000 points, or 9,999, and that's going to get me tons of free meals and rewards. So you need to get your own code, guys. Go to speedycoupons.com. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, you can of course leave them in the comments section below. Hit that like button if you got your free McDonald's points, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. So yeah, have a great Christmas, and I'll see you next week. Peace.